And then from there, you can kind of start distinguishing, oh, I'm going to need roughly this many data points here and this many data points there. And you can create your data structure in that way. Back to the program. So just select and then CK program. Okay, here we are. So register number 4 is equal to GI4. Okay. I'm going to go back to data. Notice we have it set to a 10. I'm going to just do this for testing purposes. We're going to go shift, step, forward. I guess we'll do a quick IO setup real quick. So we'll go to the IO menu, type, group, yep, IO, type, group. So IO menu, go to type.
Oh, okay, so that's what I did. Type.
IO menu, yep, type. So we're inside the type menu, and then we'll 5 for group.
Okay.
I'm not gonna expect anybody to know this, but like, I just happen to know I can do like rack 1, slot, or wait, hold on, I think I got that backwards. I think it's rack 89. Slot 1, start point 1, number of points, 16. I can't really explain to you what I'm doing right here because there's a lot that's going on here.
So where you get that number 89 from?
My brain, memory. But so I'll tell you, when I say rack 89, what rack 89 means, it means Ethernet IP. Okay, so that means the robot is going to talk to a PLC via Ethernet IP. Okay, and then, so these numbers are a hard set number. FANUC tells you if you're going to talk to it via Ethernet, use rack 89. Another time where you'll have different rack instances, I don't know these off the top of my head, but like an input, like if you got a physical input card that had wires running into it, or a physical output card and had wires running into it, those have their own rack number. So if it's an input card, I'll just say a random number, it's rack number 5. If it's an output card, it's rack number 6, like that. And also, I had to refresh my memory because it also, the rack number for the cards that are actually on the robot might be based on where they're actually slotted at in the rack, potentially. Or the physical rack itself might actually have its own number, and then you just change what slot number it is. It's different. You might have a single rack number for that entire rack, and then you would say what slot number. So like if it was an input card, you may say slot 1 here, and then the next one will be slot 2, next one will be slot 3, next one will be slot 4, okay? And then you're saying digitally, where do you want to assign this at?